Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. My goal in the garden industry is to help you guys become ultimate gardeners and help you guys teach others on how to become one. So in today's exciting sprouting video, I wanted to go through the garden and give you guys updates on company plants that we planted out in the garden. I will admit, straight up forward, some of them don't look that presentable, so they won't be presented in today's video. And so I am working on them because, as you guys know, the garden was under construction. So some of them did have to be cut back, so they're not that presentable right now. But once they are, I will gladly show you guys. So this is technically like a part one. And so the plants we'll be covering up today is the red mandevilla vine from the Tropical Plants of Florida, the early wonder camellia from the Southern Living Plant Collection, the Bloomstruck Hydrangea from plantingtree.com, the apple tree from Fast Growing Trees, the Heartbreaker Hollywood Hibiscus from the Hollywood Hibiscus Company, and to top it the entire thing off, the blue Brulee hardy hibiscus from the Dayberry Nursery. And so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number one, we have the Tropical Plants of Florida company that provided the rare mandevilla vine for us to trial this year. This plant has been an amazing plant since day one. It's already starting to move on the other area, and if you did notice, the second plant is no longer with us. This plant did not make it because my lovely dog decided to go ahead and do its business there, and of course it killed it off right at the instant. I tried to revive it, but nothing worked, and so I had to let go of that one and focus my attention to this one, and it's been doing amazing. So I'll be leaving a link where you guys can get this red mandevilla vine. I don't know if it's in stock right now because the Tropical Plants of Florida is a great company and they're going in and out of stock, so I'll let you guys know once it's in stock, but I will be providing a link towards their website. So let's go ahead and move on to the second plant. So Ultimate Gardeners, here's number two. This is the Golden Dorset apple tree from the Fast Growing Trees. So this plant has done decent in a way. It did get attacked by aphids badly at one point, but it also did give us apples one year, which they were actually pretty darn delicious. Even though their size is pretty small, they did award me that every year they're gonna get bigger, so hopefully that's true. But this apple tree has been growing in size, it's been pushing new growth. And so I will say this is a definite success in my book because here in Florida, we're not known to grow apple trees. And so this one, in my opinion, is actually doing pretty darn amazing. And so here's the little update on it right now. So let's go ahead and move on to plant number three. So Ultimate Gardeners, here's the early wonder camellia from the Southern Living Plant Collection. So this plant right here is actually starting to set its buds for the first year, and I'm super pleased to see it because this plant has been transplanted so many times and it's not giving up just yet, which is amazing. So I can't wait for when these buds actually start to open. And you guys actually might be questioning if I'm actually partnering with the Southern Living Plant Collection. That right now, that situation is actually undefined at the moment. Once I have an update on that, I will let you guys know. But I will still showcase their plant because that was what I promised. And a promise is a promise. So here it is, doing amazing. And I already see the buds start coloring up, which I'm very excited. So let's go ahead and move on to plant number four. So Ultimate Gardeners, we're in the next area. This is the Bloomstruck Hydrangea from the plantingtree.com. Just like the Southern Living Plant Collection, this partnership is undefined because plantingtree.com was just sold to Fast Growing Trees. So I don't know if this partnership is still going. I will have to give you guys updates as well on that. But a promise is a promise. Here's the plant. This plant is doing amazing. A lot of foliage growth, even though hydrangeas are not supposed to grow in our climate. It's doing pretty darn well, just that no blooms yet. So I'm being patient and waiting up upon that. So once again, this is the Bloomstruck Hydrangea from the plantingtree.com. So Ultimate Gardeners, we're in the next area. This is the Heartbreaker Hollywood Hibiscus from the Hollywood Hibiscus Company. So my thoughts on this plant is that this is an amazing plant. I'm just so speechless about these flowers. They're so pretty, but we have a little problem brewing. So my buds are starting to turn yellow and falling off, as you just saw what happened there. This foliage is such amazing, but these buds are not. So I haven't had a bloom in over per se 2 months, and so I am super disappointed by that, but I have a feeling it's the area where it's placed in. I don't know if it's lack of sunlight, but when it used to be here, it was doing amazing, so I don't know what the problem is. I'll have to be doing a little bit of a bit more deep research on it, and hopefully we can save this baby because I love it. So let's go ahead and move on to the final plant. So ultimate gardeners, we're in the final area. This is Vanessa, aka the Blue Brulee Hardy Hibiscus from the J Berry Nursery. My opinion on this was this was crowned the plant of the year in the Ultimate Garden this year. You heard it, folks. Vanessa has done amazing. The blooming is amazing, the structure is amazing, the size is amazing. Everything about this plant is what I asked for. Like I said before, J Berry Nursery never failed me. They surprised me every single time, and hopefully we have a partnership coming up yet again. And so let me go ahead and just pop up a photo on how this flower looks like. Super vibrant, super amazing, absolutely love it. And I can't wait to show when it starts blooming again. Of course, it's fall, which means it's not going to be blooming anytime soon, but hopefully we'll be able to showcase it again soon. So let me go ahead and wrap this video up for you. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, in this video, we covered 6 different company plants and updates on how they're doing right now. Once again, some plants are not that presentable because they were cut back. And so I would not want to showcase a big, great plant when it's not as looking its best right now. So I'm going to give you guys a part 2 later on in the season, maybe next year. So please stay tuned for that. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.